So here we have the brushless motor vacuum slash blower. Very portable, very compact. Does have a type C to USB charger. Has many attachments. This is for the vacuum part. So if you notice the difference, these are circular. So this will be for the blower. Has a nozzle for blowing, 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 blowing. These are more fitting for vacuuming, as we can see here. More rectangular. This one as well. Let me show you guys how to install the blowers. So all of them are very simple. Here's the reserve tank with the filter, of course, that you could remove and replace if needed. So it has two sides. One, of course, for the vacuum. But when you're gonna use the blower, you remove the filter. And on this side, which kind of looks like a sun, some may say, just screw it on, and there it is. Let me show you the other ones. It does have different nozzles. So here's this one. So yeah, it does have all these attachments. And if you want to get back to vacuuming, all you do is slide it in and twist it. There you go. So here it is. And then if you want to use the blower, you just install the adapter in the back.